Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Want to do a video walkthrough on this 290 SDX. Got the compartment open to show you the inside first, but it does have the aft face and forward lounge seats. So with the compartment open that those seats sit on, you got a ton of storage room here. They got a shambumi, also have beach chairs, second anchor in here. This compartment just slides down. Then these chairs fold up, and there's also access underneath the seat here to the compartment. Plenty of storage. Boat is kept inside in that dry stack facility. SeaDek carpeting throughout, 3 batteries, onboard battery charger. Cushions are in great shape. It's got a cockpit table, bow table, and the filler pad for the bow sun pad as well. Refrigerator, I got a small sink here, just storage here, storage underneath there, index storage below. I've got the canvas in there. It does have full bow and cockpit canvas. Nice Simrad display, joystick piloting, twin 250 horsepower Mercury Verados. Again, upholstery is in great shape. Storage underneath. Anchor windlass. Looks like the anchor does have a small bend in the shank. Photo of the head. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Give me a shout. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. 910-264-4818 if you have any questions. And Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.